Hi there, Karen Briscoe here with a 5-minute success shout out to this classic, Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach. And I was reminded about this story by another Jon Berghoff with the Flourishing Leadership Institute. Jon was a guest on the 5-Minute Success podcast, episode number 40. So please be sure and listen to that. Jon has been teaching me and others how to fly through the Quantum Leap Mastermind with Hal Elrod. And I've discovered, along with others, that I do have wings that I can unfurl and soar to new heights. So I commend both of you, Jons, for teaching me and others to fly. And here's to your success.